How's it going, y'all? In this video, I'm going to share a few microphone techniques that you can implement in any microphone to make it sound good. All right, let's get started. So the first technique that I want to talk about is actually getting really close to the microphone. When you get close to a microphone, it kind of gives you that nice radio crisp sound. I like to call it the Gill Radio Hour. But when you get really close like this, you are more susceptible to plosives. Now, plosives are the words that starts with B, P. It hurts the listener's ears. It doesn't sound appealing at all. So I use a pop filter to remove those explosive popping sounds in a recording. So this is how it sounds like without a pop filter. Heard that? And this is what it sounds like with a pop filter. Sounds a lot better. Another technique that I love to implement is positioning my microphone away from my mouth, if that makes sense. So this microphone is on the side and not directly in front of me. What that does is eliminate the potentiality for plosives. Now, the air that's coming out of my mouth is going straight and not going directly into the microphone. The audio is because the audio waves that's coming out of my mouth is, but not the air. And plosives is just the air that's hitting the microphone. Now, plosives may still occur when the microphone is positioned this way, but it makes your audio less susceptible to them. All right. So the next technique that I love to implement is actually just using headphones. When you use headphones, you're actually noticing if the audio is bad or good, or how far you are from the microphone, or if there's any plosives. So if you're podcasting the whole entire time and you're just using P's, B's, you'll know, all right, I need to implement a pop filter here, or I need to step away from the microphone, or I need to get closer to the microphone if I want some proximity effect. Because when you're wearing headphones, you can get a consistent sound because you won't move. Most people, when they start podcasting, they start dilly-daddling away. So if I'm podcasting and I don't have headphones, I'm just getting comfortable and I'm not too worried about the audio because I don't know what it sounds like. But since I have headphones, I know how close or far I am by listening to my voice. All right. Hope y'all enjoyed these techniques. These are techniques that I use all the time for any microphone. If I'm using a Shure SM7B, if I'm using a USB microphone, you best believe I'm monitoring my audio just to make sure I can get nice, consistent sound. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Like, subscribe, and comment down below and let me know what did you think. Do you have any questions or do you have any tips or tricks for me? All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.